Mon cher, on compte pas, on compte qu'ils ont apaisé, mon cher. Et bah, rien. Eh, me dit. Ah, tu travailles. Tu travailles là. Bon, des maths délivrés là. Yeah. Mais ils vont pas faire. On va bien faire manger, hein. On est allé. À quoi on est allé? Alright. On va pas bien faire là. Voilà.
Hey, did you open my door?
Alright. Delivery for the delivery guys.
Are you eating my food?
Oh yeah, I'm pick up the food. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm take two spoon, two spoon. I don't eat too much. Take a little bit right there, some pickles on the side. Not bad. It's good.
No, I can't eat that, man.
Hey, listen to me. I'm driving all the way in the hot sun like that to come in here. Take the food.
No, I do not want it. I don't even want it no more.
Why?
You're eating my food.
Let me ask you some things. Okay? You know Christian? Huh? You know Christian? Huh?
What?
You know Christian?
What do you mean am I Christian?
The Christian people, that's the people who give their food to everybody's. Okay? That's the people. You don't see that Jesus, you get the fish, you get the bread, you get the fish in the bread, okay? That's the same things. Take that.
I do not want the food. I don't want it.
M'baka comprendre. M'pote manger là, ou est pas souhait, manger. M'prendre de toi qui est ça fait. Et pas arrêter oyer. Et pas faire oyer. M'connoi haïtien, ça c'est manger un plateau haïtien lié. M'connoi haïtien, you understand what I'm trying to say to you right now. You understand? Take the food. All right. That's okay. It's good.
Let me just close my door, cause.
You got water?
What are you talking about?
Water? Let me get water. Excuse me.
No, what are you?
You see that?